Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the RSI Cloud. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the RSI Cloud. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 36 different strategies, with 10 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 451 indicators, with 186 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Alright, so today's indicator is the RSI Cloud. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Setup on this is pretty simple. I know I say that a lot, but basically we have this oscillating line here. It's producing a cloud in green and red, and what we're really looking for are these dots here. And so when we pick up these dots, so a red dot would be a short and a green dot would be a long signal. So that's basically how we're going to test it today. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so we ran through quite a few signals here. Looks like the first one was going to be a long signal. That gets stopped out pretty quickly as we flip back to the downside for a short, which gets us stopped out as we then flip for a long. That one barely squeezes out take profit, but then we go for a short, also getting stopped out. Flip back for a long, same deal, then another short, same, stopped out there, and then we pick up this long right here, which gets a decent little movement to us, getting us to take profit. Then we flip to the downside right here. That takes a decent little dive, which also gets us to take profit. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we pick up this long right here. That gets us to take profit, then a short shortly after. That also gets us to take profit, then it flips for a long right here on this one, and that one also gets us to take profit. So let's go ahead and continue on. So we pick up a short right there. That one's going to get us stopped out as we flip for a long right there. That gets us stopped out as we almost immediately flip straight back for a short. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the video. That way things won't get too long. And we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see, and the patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own accounts. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. Shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. Shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. And one new thing that we've been doing here recently is our admin Rob has been posting everyday scanner alerts. These are crypto and forex scanners. There are his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. And as he gets alerts to his scanners, he will post them in the channel for all the patrons to be able to take advantage of those trading opportunities. So there's a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's get everything in focus here. See what we get out of this indicator. A lot of trades, definitely a lot of trades. That usually ends up being a bad thing. Let's count these out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, and 51. So we have 51 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. It's not really a big surprise like we've seen many, many times before. When we get an overtrader like this, it tends to be a losing indicator, especially when you get these clusters of losing trades right here. You see it clusters, 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 quite a few of them. And so this one just kind of pinballs in and out of trade or positions, almost candle right after candle right after candle. And so that tends to be super problematic, and that's why these over trading indicators typically become a losing indicator. So All right, well, that's going to do it for this one. We will put this one on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.